day I decided to wear my white pants. I picked up this white pants for 2 weeks straight and then put it back. Got on my white pants and it's raining. Look at that. I'm so disappointed in the rain. You could have come for 2 weeks. You decided today when I put on my pants to come. I hope it rains till tomorrow. Barbados is so dry. Like the grass is brown. This makeup is crazy. My art teacher from secondary school, as I said at the beginning of the vlog, is doing a makeup course. She was practicing for her exam, so this is my, I think, second time wearing lashes ever. She did a really good job with the makeup. She had on a pink lip, but I changed it to nude because I'm supposed to be leaving home. Look, you can't let your family see you do like crazy things and crazy timelines at all. My father come up to me the other day. He was like, Alana, I want a soup. Oh, cool. Where you want a soup for? Next weekend. Sir. I know I have pulled rabbits out of hats before, but I cannot do it this time. Sir. Mind you, it takes me 3 weeks, preferably 4. to complete a suit. I'm sorry for the lighting. I don't have my I bought a light for vlogging, but I don't have it in this room and I'm not going to get it, but oh well. So I had to find a fix for him, so I'll show you guys what I'm working on and a later clip. So I am doing a chicken lasagna tonight, and I've never done a chicken lasagna before, so let me see how this goes. It's a sugar, put in a tablespoon of that because the sauce is very acid. And I'll put in a touch of this. Water. The chicken was shredded already and put up till it was ready to use. So we can just put it in this sauce. And this chicken is already pretty delicious, so it doesn't need a lot of sauce. And I don't really like the lasagna that is too wet. I will let this warm, then we'll taste it and we'll see how I like it. A little bit more water. Yeah, Bosh, release. Let me get this for the camera.
Oh my god. You get that one?
Yes, I got that one.
All right. All right. Last one back, Kelly. I'm sorry.
Alright, she just got one in the yellow. So let's see.
What? Is that Cody?
True.
Thumbs up is.
In a world of noggins. And Alana has to get the chicken for dinner.
She needs 1 point to save the game.
Let's do
1
this.
point. Whoa. She
Okay.
pulls it fast. It misses the red and the yellow.
It's so ridiculous. Yay! So I didn't really vlog today. You would have seen the clips from archery, but today was the last day of the makeup class. I still have on some of the makeup because I was afraid to take off the eyeshadow before I went to archery because you can see it's just glittery, and I was afraid that glitter would be all over my eye and it would look crazy. So I thought it would look better to just go with the eyeshadow and the eyebrow still on, as opposed to still like looking crazy with glitter all over my face. Anyways, my hands are blue because I was doing my wig, and the wig is still giving off blue dye for some reason. Part of the reason I'm wearing a black shirt today. And I gotta show you guys something from archery. It's not showing up well on camera, but I have a bruise here. Let me get a better angle. This is basically just as a warning to those who might want to do archery. See that bruise on my skin? That's from the bowstring coming back and hitting me. I had on short sleeves, and then I have this bruise here as well, and right here you can see my skin is rubbed out from shooting the arrow. So if your hand's soft, you can get scars. This is in no means me telling you not to go to archery. Archery is awesome. The people there are great. I went to Fields Archery in the Gap. You can look up Archery in the Gap on Instagram, and I think that's their same name on Facebook, or Fields Archery, and you'll find them. But wear appropriate attire and just be prepared for a couple stings. Everybody didn't get a sting, but my hand's soft. I get sting like 3 different times, and they give you safety equipment, but the safety equipment it didn't work for me. So just be careful when you're doing things like that. So I'm trying a new device. We can see how this works. But guys, my face freaking out again. Hormonal outbreaks. My face was clear for months. Anyways, I've been luxuriating in my bed all day. It is minutes to 3. It's like, I think it's 10 to 3. And I've been in my bed all day. The only thing I do is watch news. I eat breakfast, kinda. I even had a tea. I painted my nails, still up bad, because I can't paint my nails clean. But having such a great day. Gotta get back and eat and do work now. But I love days when I could just chill, because every day does be go from 7 in the morning until like, I don't know, 11 or later at night. I just filmed a whole thing and I thought I was recording and I wasn't. But this is the finished jacket for my dad. These are the buttons. I don't really like these buttons. They look a bit feminine for me. It has long sleeves. And excuse if the quality of the video isn't as good as it usually is, because I changed my phone and the camera is not as good on this. So on the inside I have it lined kinda right here for the shoulder section. This section would fit a lot better because I have canvas in it, and I also have it at the back, so you can see it there. And this stitching that you can see, well, not this one not coming out, but this stitching that you can see here, could barely see it actually, is a blind hem stitch that is in there. I was going to end my vlog showing you guys my dad actually wearing the jacket, but unfortunately he got injured at work and he will not be wearing it this weekend. I know, I'm sad about it too, but thankfully he's safe, he's good. And great news guys, school is finishing next week and I'm back to work full-time. Yay! And I just submitted my last major assignment for the quarter. I submitted 2 assignments today and I feel really good about myself. I've been working really hard, working double time, trying to do everything, and I'm finishing up another quarter, and the next thing is moving to Atlanta in January, so I'll keep you guys updated on everything. I'm nervous, I'm excited, and I'm happy. See you guys in my next vlog. Bye.